Hello?
Hi, Antonio.
Wait a second, I just hear you.
Can you hear me clearly?
Hello, yes.
Okay, so let's talk. Yeah, okay, so let me introduce myself. I'm Tasdeep.
Okay.
I was formerly a digital marketer, but as of
Mhm.
now, I have created our own agency. I guess you have seen the website already. So yeah,
Mhm.
we're a team. We're working, in this digital marketing sector for a while now, for a really long time. So and we have worked with many businesses. So today we're here to talk about your particular business. If I'm wrong, correct me. Is it Belangi or Belangi or Balangi? Which actually
Ballangi.
Balangi. Okay, Italian accent is kind of different for difficult for me because, as you know, I'm from Bangladesh, so it's kind of hard. So yeah.
Yeah, that's it. No
So
worries.
could you please tell me more about your brand? I have seen that your product is amazing and it's basically focused on people who are even mostly focused on health, and of
Yes.
course because hair fall is an emotion, so we have a very big target marketing. So yeah, the future I can see it's very bright, but all we have to
Mhm.
look at how we're managing our strategies. So yeah, tell me more about your
Okay.
brand, your vision, and everything.
So Ballangi is a very fast-growing startup.
Hmm.
We started selling our products in July 2024, and
So
we're
it's
getting
only
very good.
around 8 months now, 9 months I
Exactly.
guess. Yeah.
Exactly. We are having a very good result from the organic social media part. That is where our main sales come from.
Hmm.
And so we wanted to start a little bit with the paid advertising.
Hmm.
Right now, we only are doing a little bit of TikTok ads, and
Hmm.
and we started with Google Ads, but we're not getting the results that where we want to
Hmm.
have. So we wanted somebody to kind of manage all the optimization of the digital campaigns, I would say.
Okay. Okay. So, see, as the brand is new, so the very first goal of ours should be to make brand awareness, right? So
Hmm.
that's what we have to do. As you have told me, you are doing TikTok ads, but in Italian and mostly European market, people are very focused on Instagram and Facebook, all sort of thing. At the same time,
Hmm.
if we're looking at Google, if we want to promote your brand awareness, so we have to keep doing SEO as well, along with the ads, right? Because with SEO, because as long as we're paying for the ads, Google will show our website on the top. But as soon as we stop that, our website will go down again. So to
Okay.
maximize the visibility, we have to keep doing the SEO as well. SEO means search engine
Hmm.
optimization. I guess you know that, right? So yeah,
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course we can do that. I have seen your website is pretty elegant, but of course
yeah.
there is always room for improvement. And as you have
Of
told me,
course.
you want someone who can optimize the ads. Uh, as of now, we don't do TikTok ads, so I'm not gonna talk about
Mhm.
that. But yeah,
Okay.
of course, about Google ads and Facebook ads, I can definitely help you. Instagram ads, of course. In your website, I couldn't find any Facebook page. So do you have one or you don't?
We have an Instagram page.
Okay, so we should, I think, in my opinion, we should create a Facebook page as well, and then we should, do cross ads like in Facebook also, in
Hmm.
Google also. So here, my question is, how do you want to expand? Like, you want to expand in the national region, or you want to expand internationally? Because in our website, I have
So
seen you
right now
have
we've got
variable payment options and
we have
currencies
right
you
now
accept.
we've got Italy as our main direct to consumer market, but we
Hmm.
are also trying to expand in Brazil, South Korea, Czech Republic, and Poland. But that is more on the B2B side. We are just we are negotiating contract with distributors. And there it would be very important to do some brand awareness in order to
Okay.
support our distributors to increase sales.
Okay. Okay. to add that, I think I have seen your branding is pretty elegant, but of course, so when we're doing ads, you will be needing a support of. Oh, I'm really sorry for my English. It's not my first language, so sometime I'm mumbling. So don't think like that. So yeah.
No, no, no.
Okay, what I'm saying is when we're designing ads and optimizing ads, maybe we have to keep remaking the contents because see,
Mm-hmm.
one content cannot be catched by people's eyes every time. So we have to keep making new contents, and then we have to focus on carousel ads maybe. And what like I have currently seen you have very few products. Do you have any intention of increasing the product lines and adding more products?
Right now we've got two products, but we're gonna expand to say, another seven
Okay,
pretty
so
soon.
in future you will have approximately 9 products.
Exactly.
So if you are currently focusing on 2 products or 3 products, 5 products, I think your website is pretty good. So we don't have
Mm-hmm.
to worry about that. But yeah, of course, if we can add some landing pages according, let's say we're targeting people see, when we're going to target people, what we will do, we are not going to be doing generalized ad. Okay. So I
Of
want,
course.
if we're the one who's working, so what I will do, I will target specific people for each ad set. Like we're creating
Mm-hmm.
one ad set where we will target people in my age, let's say 25 to 40, and we will
Mm-hmm.
target those people who are maybe thinking about hair fall, maybe searching solution for that. And then we will write content in your website like blogs and about healthcare, how they can protect their health, and to make a credibility of your brand. Are you
Mm-hmm.
understanding? When they're landing to your website and they're seeing that, yeah, yes, this page or this website is not only selling the products, but they're giving us a solution. With
Yeah, no,
that,
of course. It's we need to optimize everything that needs to be
yeah,
optimized because right now
of
we are,
course.
I would say, at 2% the potential.
Yeah.
We
Your
of course
company's
need.
potential is huge. Trust me on that. I have seen that.
Yeah.
Because see, we have been working with a lot of clients, let's say about we have UGC market, we did a lot. But
Mm-hmm.
see, where I come from, these things are pretty easy when we're focused towards it. But if we feel
Mm-hmm.
like no, we're doing this but not focusing on another part, so it becomes the balance becomes what does it say? It's not balanced. I mean, so if we
Mm-hmm.
do a balanced approach and we can optimize things, slowly, I think the in result is going to be amazing. As of
Okay.
now, I can't promise that I'll give you, a very good sales in the first month, because I think if we start working, at least for 20 to 30 days, we have to keep experimenting, implementing new
Okay.
strategies, like,
Mm-hmm.
creating multiple ad sets for, let's say, Google ads or Facebook ads, whatever it is. We have to create multiple ad sets, and we have to see how your audience is behaving, and according to
Okay.
their behavior we have to re-optimize the ads, and then we have to push those ads again. Let's say we're
Mm-hmm.
targeting people, we're doing Facebook ads or Instagram ads, and then we're bringing people to your website through traffic ads, and they're adding products to the cart, or maybe visiting some pages. Then we will you know analyze those analytics, and then according to their behavior, that what they have done in your website, then we will retarget them with a new content, so that
Okay.
their trust towards the brand increases. You know,
Mm-hmm.
the hardest thing in this world is to you know get people purchase something from you.
Mm-hmm.
So we will try our level best according to that. Meanwhile, if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, of course. Also, the tracking part is very important for us because right
Yeah.
now we have very very bad tracking. We use pixels from TikTok and from Google, which are not the best, I would say. So also implementing a solution to track customers on our website would be very good.
Yeah, currently I would say Google Pixel or Facebook Pixel setup would be good if we can focus on that properly. If we can you know give this task to a right person, I think you will get good results. And as I
Okay.
said, not one thing can help you grow your brand. We have to focus on the pixels tracking. At the same time, we have to focus on the ad optimization. At the same time, we have to
Of
think
course.
about the organic reach as well. Let's say you have a
Hmm.
LinkedIn. I have seen that. If we can focus on that LinkedIn, and if we can, make such contents where it will help you to make B2B relationships stronger. At the same time,
Hmm.
with our Instagram, if we do organic promotions, if we see your competitors, we go to their followers and we can see how their followers are behaving, and then we can add some of those followers, and we can do these kinds of things. These are very tricky. So currently I'm not a marketing expert. I'm the managing director of the company. So I will sit on
Hmm.
with my team. I will make a detailed plan, and then once you give us a job, we will make a detailed plan according to your budget, of course, because budget is a main concern here. More the budget
Hmm.
we got, more strategies we can implement. So of course it depends on you, but yeah, once we can do that, we can try multiple things. Marketing is
Okay.
all about trial and error. Of course, we
Hmm.
do have we do have experience. We are working for a long time now, but of course, in marketing, when we're doing, see, with ads, I can promise you, okay, I will, let's say, spend $3,000 from you, and I'll give this amount of sales. But to make everything properly, we have to focus on all sides, not only paid ads, not only organic marketing. We have to focus on everything, from
Of course.
creating content to selling it to people.
Hmm.
So that's what we can do for you. But yeah, things will take time, because I have to get a proper understanding of your band more. Like, more, we're gonna be spending time together. Spending time is on your business. Then we will be more sure about what we can do, and yeah, that's how we work. So what do you
Okay.
think? You can tell me.
So it sounds good to me, but I wanted to know what is the like the price that you ask for it.
We have multiple price. Can you please share, at least an approximate budget that you can see? As I have told you, we have solution for everything, right? But there is a limit. Like, let's say, if we run Google ads, Facebook ads, whatever, TikTok ads, we don't do, so we're not going to be doing that.
Hmm.
So if, let's say, I have to ask for a budget of yours, like what you will be able to spend on Google ads, Facebook ads. At the same time, we have
So
to focus on organic marketing, right?
right now, for start, I would say we can have a budget of around 1.5k euros per month.
Okay. Or no whole marketing, or I mean, overall, how much budget you got? Like, not only ad spend. Because if you can tell me the budget, then I can divide them between where we can, let's say if your budget is low, then Google
Hmm.
ads won't be a good option. If
Okay.
your budget is currently, let's say, 1.5 and in the ad spend, so what we can do, we can spend most of the amount in Facebook ads or Instagram, I mean Meta ads. Because
Hmm.
see, with Meta ads, we can bring people to your landing page, I mean in your page. But with Google ads, we have to do rankings. So it is very costly, because there are other people, big giant companies, who are spending in millions. So of
Okay.
course, competing with them, it is not a good idea. Rather than
Hmm.
that, if we focus on our targeted audience with Facebook and Meta ads, that will be a good option. So
Okay.
that is why I asked an overall marketing budget in a month. What is that, including our salaries and everything? So we will, once you do that, I can help you. You know,
I don't know. I would say 2.5k then.
I think 2.5 or 3 would be a good option. And okay, so this I am assuming it is 2.5 or 3,000 euros in a month, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's your overall budget for the marketing side. I mean, that you can give us to use it for your marketing, right?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
that includes the ad spend.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this will be, we will be okay. That is a good amount for starting, of course, and we can do that. So now, if you have any other question, we can do that. Of course, you can ask me. Again, I'm
No,
sorry for
everything.
my English.
No worries. No, no,
So
everything is clear.
so I think I have explained you everything. Meanwhile, if you
Mm-hmm.
have any like not question, like what your I have noted what are your needs now. We're currently have to
Mm-hmm.
focus on maybe Google Ads. We have to do later because
Mm-hmm.
with 3K budget, including our salaries and everything, it will be a tough decision to do
Mm-hmm.
Facebook, and because we whatever we're focusing on, we have to make it best. So implementing too many employees into the same job, it will cut down the cost of
Okay.
your ad. So I don't want that.
Mm-hmm.
So that is why I will discuss with the team about you. Like I'm assuming now it is 3,000 or 2,500 euros, and then I'll maybe get back to you like where we will
Okay.
spend the money, what will be our salaries, and what we're going to be spending in the marketing.
Sounds good for me.
Okay, but it is of
Okay.
course we have to make a Facebook page because Facebook is also a huge platform. Especially Italian people, they come to Facebook a lot. Facebook
Yeah,
marketplaces
I
are very
imagine.
important. So yeah, as of
Okay.
now, let's take for a while. Let's wait for a while. I'll sit with my team and discuss, and I'll let you know through email maybe.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that works perfect for me. If you can send me a proposal, and then I'll just
Okay,
reply.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. Then have a great day then. Bye bye.
Have a
And
great day.
okay, have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Bye.